Hello Sheba from Ace Vacuums. Again today we are going to see how to maintain your Shark vacuum cleaner. What is the very first step before cleaning my vacuum? Always ensure your safety first. Before performing any maintenance, you must unplug the vacuum from the wall. When is the right time to empty the dust cup? You should empty the dust cup before the debris reaches the max fill line printed on the side of the canister. How do I properly remove and empty the dust cup? Press the release button located on top of the dust cup handle, tilt the dust cup away from the vacuum body and lift it off. Hold it over a trash can and press the lower release tab to open the bottom lid. You can also press the upper release button to open the top lid and clear out any stuck debris. Where are the pre-motor filters located and how do I clean them? Once the dust cup is removed, you will see the pre-motor filters sitting in the base. There are two filters here, a foam filter on top and a felt filter underneath. Lift both filters out and hand wash them using cold water only. These pre-motor filters should be rinsed once every 3 months. Does this vacuum have a HEPA filter? Yes, the vacuum features a HEPA filter located behind the front grill door. Press the button at the bottom of the filter door, tilt it, and lift it off. Remove the HEPA filter and wash it with cold water only. The HEPA filter requires rinsing once every year. How long do the filters take to dry? This is a crucial step to prevent damage to the motor. You must let all filters air dry completely for at least 24 hours before reinstalling them. What is the correct order to put everything back together? Return the felt filter into the base first, followed by placing the foam filter on top. Reinstall the HEPA filter into the front slot. Replace the HEPA filter door by inserting the top first and pressing the bottom until it clicks into place. Finally, reattach the dust cup by placing the bottom in first and tilting it back until it clicks securely.